Good evening, we are here live at Miagao Intertown. The last game tonight is played between Miagao Stars versus Oking Pututan. Like and share mga idol. Sayad-ayad kagabi sa tanan. Enjoy the show. And hope nag-enjoy it ka mo, no? Mas enjoyable pa ita ang second game. Ay sa mga baskugan nga teams ang Oking Pututan Pututan, yes, shout out sa tanan nga taga Pututan, at shout out sa tanan nga taga Miagawan na Miagao Stars. Naka-orange, naka-puti, naka-blue ang short, Oking Pututan.
The Gambian capital of Pará. Bago Builders and Supply. Ambient Furniture Shop, located at Barangay Ilian Sur, Miagao, Iloilo. Owned and managed by Mr. Adrian Cueva Escamilla. Antagas Bachoy, ang pinakamanamit na Bachoy sa Banwa, Panginoon. Located at Odessa Street, Miagao, Iloilo. Owned and managed by Mr. Adelino Mrs. Valencia Jr. Magawag din kasalamat sa ating pinalanggang Mayor Richard Derin sa mag-sponsor sa ating license. Ang magawag kasalamat sa ating LGU para sa manami ng kanyang gobyerno.
Oking Pututan. Again, sa mga audience, may dalong tahi,
Good evening, Yalao. Welcome to first Mayor Richard Garin of Loman Festival Basketball Tournament Coordinating Qualifier. This game is semifinals game between Joaquin Cototan versus Yalao Stars.
First quarter, jump ball. Rebound. Patlahunag.
Good evening, basketball fans. Second game, game 4. Sa semifinal, single round robin para sa Hablon Festival Basketball Tournament 2025. Joaquin Cototan versus Yalao Stars.
Yalao
Stars may isa
Stars.
kadahog. Ang Joaquin may isa na pierde. Yellow ang Miagao, nakaputi ang Joaquin. In order for Joaquin to keep their hopes alive for the championship. They must win this ball game against Miagao. In order for Miagao to secure
Maya Jamre.
the spot for the championship,
Shout out.
they must win tonight against Joaquin.
London Black, shout out.
Sa elimination nila nga match-up, kinpierde sang Miagao. Okay. Back-to-back 2 points para kay Kevin Barranco sa Mones Fields. Foul ang gintawag kay Swak Makiling.
Our jersey number 4, Joshua McEwen, is your first
Melchor Andrada, shout out. Team of Kim, go for the win. Melchor Andrada. God bless Miagao from Maya Jamre.
Wala sa
Don
Joaquin,
Black,
sa
shout
Mones
out.
against Swak. Jumper, wala. Rebound Hermohino. Wala sang Miagao.
Barranco, jersey number 21.
Barranco. Jumper. Wala. Tap. Kita kay
Pigreta.
And loose ball ba rin ito kay
Our
Kevin Barranco.
jersey number 21, Barranco, is your first personal foul, second team foul.
Samones against Swak.
Our jersey number 9, Hermohino, is your first personal foul, third team foul.
Foul ang itawag kay Hermohino. 2 free throws for Lester Samones.
Foul 2 by Samones.
Wala sa Miagao. White. As to Erjan against Babaran. Wala gyapon sa Miagao.
With
9 seconds to shoot.
Basketball.
Kevin Barranco. Hermohino receives, pass to Barranco, jumper.
Barranco.
John Melquindon. Babaran, kick out Olinga. Wala, rebound Patlaonag. Fast break to Barangco.
Babaran, 3 points.
Five on score, 6 minutes and 12. Okay. Pedrita, hesitation. Pedrita. Kick out to Babaran. Isa pa. Wala. Rebound. Kick out by Barangco. Barangco for 3. The 3-point shot by Kevin Barangco is brought to you by H-Team.
Jennifer Limon,
Import and Export
Or
Trading
Pirater,
Company
shout
operated
out.
by Sir J.P.
Welcome.
Hernandez. 8-point lead para sa Miagao. Samones against Wak. Samones. Layup. Wala. Wala gyapon sa 5 minutes and 32. Chogporal, nabuyan ang bola. Balik ang bola sa Miagao. 5 minutes and 28. White Grijalvo. White drives. Kick out of Patlaonag. Tumuntalban. Wala na sa'yo. Bala sa Nguking, 5 minutes and 18. Erlans Luis Pedrita, pass to Chogporal. Ito, Samones, Captain Pindon, wala, Babaran. Offensive rebound, but there's a foul on his shot. No free throws for Rodel Babaran. 5 minutes, time remaining for this one.
Jersey number 19. Ronaldo is her first personal foul. Fourth team foul.
Babaran makes the first to cut the lead to 7 para sa Miagao Stars. Two for Rodel Babaran. White Grijalvo and a steal.
Pedrita.
Pedrita. Pass to Chogporal, spin over Barangco. Wala.
Rebound, Erjan. Hermihini.
Wala sa Miagao. Junel Patlaonag. Patlaonag against Dupa. Spin. Layup. Foul. Counted. That's 2 points for engineer Junel Patlaonag. Timeout. Nakita ba? Isang king putatan. Miagao Stars is leading by 8 points against the King. And there's a fast lead for the King to keep their hopes alive for the championship. To get that 1-2 possession after a single round robin match. 1 minute and 30 time remaining sa first quarter. Sa first game, ginlutos ang Santa Barbara Antigbawan. After a great performance of Tigbawan on the quarterfinals.
4 minutes 30
And the
seconds.
first game in the semifinals.
First
They
quarter.
lost their second game in the semis. Patlaonag, bonus free throw, there's a 3-point play. Original, Patlaonag, Santiago Stars. Balasang King down by 9 points.
Pedrita pass to
Samones
Samones.
drives. Spin, what a move.
2 points. Samones.
Nestor Samones. Last 4 minutes of the first quarter. Barranco. Okay ang may bola. Erlans Luis Pedrita drive. But missed the shot. Another foul ang nabingwit. The engineer Patlaonag. They will go to the line to shoot.
It's your first personal foul.
3 minutes and 34. Engineer Patlaonag on the free throw line to take 2. They're up by 9 points. Engineer missed the first. Engineer Patlaonag is full of energy. 10-point lead for Miagao against the King Pototan. Erlans Luis Pedrita, paso Samones, Samones for 3. Ay! Sa sulod na, ginluwa pa. Wala sa Miagao, Kevin Barranco against Pedrita. Barranco!
Points. Barranco.
Barranco show para sa Miagao. Pedrita, may screen. Pedrita. Pasto, Chog Poral. Chog Poral. Ay, niya. Pasto Pedrita, 5 seconds to shoot. Pedrita to Samones. Samones.
Samones.
Screen. Back to Chog. Chog for 3. Wala. Rebound Engineer Patlaonag. And Luz Bolivar ang itawag kay Erlans Luis Pedrita.
It's your second personal foul. Third team foul.
Wala sa Miagao, 2 minutes and 41. Erlans Pedrita out, napigkit in para sa Oking. Grijalbo. Grijalbo against napigkit, drives baseline. Turns. Kick out to Alog, Alog for 3. Wala. Rebound Grijalbo. Second chance for Miagao. 10 seconds to shoot. Astel by Dupa. Samones, spin, over, Alog, wala. Tatlo ka mo, King.
2 points.
And nice 2 points. For Chog Poral. Another foul counter from Engineer Jonel Patlaonag.
It's your
Pinawalawa, layo lang, boss. Ang bot ko ito, o yan na. Engineer Patlaonag is condition tonight. A win by Miagao Stars will put themselves in a 1-2 possession on the ranking. Hindi ka madala sa tira. Sa tumbo-tumbo, madala ka. 1 minute and 50. Balas ang Oking, Rodel Babaran.
First quarter remaining time 1 minute 46 seconds.
Babaran, entry pass to Pindon, stolen by Montalban. Balas ang Miagaw, Barangco against Chogporal. Hermohino, drives. Makiling, elbow, wala. Tap, get by Makiling, drive. Nabuyan ang muna, bola kiyapon sa Miagaw, 11 seconds. 1 minute and 28. Barangco will inbound. Hermohino drives against Babaran. That's 2 free throws for Erjan Alog Hermohino.
Foul jersey number 8, Babaran.
Alog Hermohino.
Babaran, it's your first personal foul.
Mandok Sangsara. Nakapangasawa sa Miagaw. Alog missed the first. 1 minute and 23. Boss, boss kan? Sa audience, boss? Bala Sango King. Down by 14. Babaran. Wala. Floater, wala. Pindon, block by Alog. Isa pa. Wow, power move from Jomel Pindon. Para sa King Putotan. Miagaw. Kevin Barangco, dire-diretso.
Basket is now on a foul by jersey number 21. Ural, it's your first personal foul penalty.
Kevin Barangco is unguardable tonight for Miagaw. But missed that free throw for the 3-point play. 46 seconds in the first quarter. Jomel Pindon drive against Pagarita. There's a foul on SK Paguntalan.
Foul by jersey number 0. Paguntalan is your first personal foul penalty.
Two free throws for Jomel Pindon. Missed the first. 39 seconds time remaining. 14-point lead for Miagaw Stars. 39 seconds time remaining to first. Jomel hits the second. Still 13-point lead for Miagaw Stars against Oking Putotan. 39 seconds. Kevin Barangco. Barangco.
23
Natapik.
seconds.
Bola gyapon sa Miagaw Stars. Engineer Patlaona. For 3. Gabus. Pick up by Dupa. Wala sang Oking. 14 seconds. Babaran for 3. Wala. Rebound. Chogporal. Wala. Babaran flies. Pick up. May Paguntalan. 2 seconds. Patlaonag. What? Layup. Layup ng Patlaonag.
That is the end of the first quarter.
15-point lead for Miagaw Stars against King Putotan. Shout out! Shaket Dolikis Laudato.
Engineer Mike Paguntalan, our general manager.
Tama ka, no? Tama ka, Manok. Pero wala man sa may nag-ihaw. Princess Ables, Ariolan. Second quarter, Barangco. Barangco. Patlaona, cross court sa alog. Near steal by Putatan. 13 seconds to shoot. Grijalvo for 3. Pindon.
Pedreta, 3. Lakas sila. At Laonan.
Biggest lead. Output knockout. Pindon drives.
It's your second personal foul, first PM foul.
So free throws for Lester Samones. 8 minutes and 53. Para Santiago. Hermoino.
Foul jersey number 19. Elida is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Eight minutes and 29. Bago 20-point lead para sa Miyaga Stars. Wala sa Oking. Grijalvo. Patlaona. Samones power move. Rewards 2 points for Oking Putatan. Wala sa Miagao. White Grijalvo. Barangco. Wala. Pedrita. 20-point lead para sa Lamiaga Stars. Hermohino receives. Barranco jumps. Block drive.
Foul is jersey number 15. Buka, it's your third personal foul, second team foul.
So free throws para Log Hermohino.
Zero. Shout out. Saldivia, shout out. Watching from
Biggest lead of Lamiaga Stars, 21 points against the mighty Joaquin Pototan. Samones, hand off to Linga. Linga. Pass for Samones.
Samones.
Barranco for three. Wala. But pick up by White.
Lingga.
Pedrita baseline.
Pedrita.
Barranco against Pedrita. Patlaona, jump.
2 points. Follow up by Lingga.
The lead is down to 15. 5 minutes and 42. Babaran, Lebre. The lead is down to 12. 5 minutes and 10. Grijalbo. Pass to Patlaona. Block! Maldita! Pass break para sa Pototan.
Lamiaga Stars.
11-0 run para sa Joaquin Pototan to cut the lead
4 minutes, 48 seconds.
of Miagao to 10 points. 4 minutes and 48. Max Maestro Campo, malas ang complete ni Lingga. Bago na siya mag-back-to-back 2 points. Pero June, Ganuhay De Leonio, late game. Crispil Evans. Rowan Pason Palabrica. Shout out Rene Montalvo. Woay ni Miles Lozada del Mundo. Rex De Lopez, Royce Andre Amatorio, shout out. Back to the ball game, bola sa Miagao Stars, 4 minutes and 48. White to Alok, back to White, to Kevin, Kevin drives. Kick out to Junel, to Alok for 3.
Players, please go back to your bench.
Kamay nga dogsing between Barangco and Pedrita. Pedrita is hot right now. 4 minutes and 29. 13-point lead para sa Miagao Stars against Joaquin Pototan. Jerek Dalitgit. Shout out Miko White. Boss Paul. Okay, na para si Pedrita. Miko White na sila. Basketball is a mind game, no? It's a mind game. Kung sino ang una madula ang concentration, siya ang dihado.
4 minutes, 59 seconds, second quarter.
It's a double vertical foul against jersey number 7 of Miagao and jersey number 15 of Team Pototan, and double unsportsmanlike
Third place
foul
lang po sa
against
inyo.
jersey number 21 of Miagao and jersey number 7 of Team Pototan.
Ano to?
Back to the ball game. After sang kamay ni Dugsing. Bala sa Pototan. Samones against Patlaonag. Kabus! Tap! Pick up by Engineer Patlaonag.
Jersey number 7, Pedrita is your third personal foul. Jersey number 15, Dupa is your fourth personal foul. For Miagao Stars, jersey number 21, Barangco is your third personal foul. Jersey number 7, Patlaonag is your first personal foul. Foul jersey number 6, Pindon, it's yours.
Pototan ka na
Pindon is
sa
your first personal foul.
Mainit. Pindon to Samones.
Samones.
3 minutes and 38. Wala sa Miagao, Hermohino.
Round 6, Joaquin Pototan Basketball.
Balik ang bola sa Oking. Linga.
Linga.
Down to 9 ang abanse sa Miagao. Patlaonag. Jumper.
Foul by jersey number 18. Linga is your first personal foul penalty.
minutes and 57 time remaining.
Trial 2 by Formula Ona.
Wala sang Oking. Kalinga. Nice pass! Kuchok Coral. Para sa Oking. White Grijalvo.
Babaran. Samones 2 points. 1 minute 40 seconds.
Hermohino. Samones, another sky for the rebound. Jomel for through. The 3-point shot by Jomel Pindon.
Second quarter, minute time, 1 minute 12 seconds.
8-point nice position corporation by Jose.
Nagabawi ang putukan.
Wala sa Oking. Yagaw. Stop and pump for Barranco. Wala ang 3-point shot ni Kevin Barranco. Balik ang bola sa Oking. Chog Coral. Samones, Babaran. Wala. Rebound. Still Oking basketball.
Rebound steal. Oking Pototan basketball.
21 seconds, second quarter.
21 seconds time remaining sa second quarter. Samones, spin, cross court to Babaran for 3.
1.3. Young All-Stars.
Down to 1.3 for Miagao. With 10 seconds time remaining sa second. Initially, that's a 21-point lead for Miagao. What a comeback for Oking Pototan in the second quarter.
They're now in the third quarter. Gamay na laban si Sam.
Mami, nisag ikaw hulag. Mami, ang ato na kamera ka hulag. Maluoy, ikaw. Pinanervyos ang amon na kamera. Back to the last 10 seconds of the second quarter. Bola sa Miagao, Kevin Barranco. Entry pass sa Batlaonan. Drive!
Formula Ona. That is the end of the second quarter.
And after
Third quarter na ta.
Miagao build a 21.
May bilin pagalikay na nga sekundos.
Okay. King Pototan.
So dito na nagtatapos ang second quarter, third quarter na po tayo.
After the second quarter, halftime.
Okay, atin mo James. Atin sa tapos 9.5. 9.5. Medyo naman yung kaya. Ito nila yung kasi. Okay, right now James. Select. First come, first serve.
Alagan! Alaganan!
Dalawa. Oh. Lima. Kanon.
Yakin siya mga idol.
Oh, dito. Paran. Oh, James. Oh, James. Ready? Salam. Welcome. Laran. Apa? Laran. Madaya punta. Yan. Pakulan. Oh, malinaw na.
3-point shootout ang premyo.
Okay.
Sapatos.
Able. Able. Again. Basta mag-able yung anak.
Bel, karton na to bro, Bel.
Libre ng sapatos sa halftime para sa Booking.
sa Mondido family.
Mark to
Ernesto
5 point
Mondido.
din para sa Miagao. Wala sa Cooking. Samones. Block by Alog. Recovered by Kevin Barranco. Samones fake, Samones drive, kick out to Babaran for 3. Wala, rebound, chop Coral. Foul counted. Chok Coral.
Is your second personal foul, first team foul.
Coral missed the bonus free throw. Still 3-point lead for Miagao. Barranco, turns in their Patlaona. Baco Grijalvo, cross court to Alo, sa Idalom. Baseline jumper for Swak, no basket. Linga to Pindon, wala. Grijalvo, dire-diretso, drop to Hermoino. Block by Samones.
Rebound de Samones. Linga.
Pindon, drives. Paso Samones, nice ball.
Up. 1-point lead. Diego Stars.
Back
7
to
minutes, 23
down to
seconds.
1-point lead again. For Patasan, bola sa Naga, Barranco for 3, wala. Top by Swag, kita to Hermoino. Hermoino against Babaran. Back to Grijalvo, Barranco. Free throw line to Grijalvo, Grijalvo for 3, wala. Rebound, chase down by Jomel Pindon. Wala sa Uking. Sabones. 7 minutes and 20. Linga for 3. Abasi na Uking Patotan, Sandua. Wala gyapon sa Miagao, last out sa Uking Patotan. Hermoino receives.
Anoy de Gallo Montaño
Paso
shot out.
Barranco for 3. Wala. Rebound, take up by Jomel Pindon.
Montaño shot out.
Samones. Nice pass! Wala ang layup ni Jog Coral.
Familiar naman ni Sakon mga team.
Barranco, cross court to Alog. Baseline 3-pointer. Wala. Rebound. Recovered by Swak. Barranco. Wala. Black ball. Babaran.
All around steal. Miagao Stars.
Jojo Lopez chokes to go.
6 minutes and 14 seconds in the third quarter. 2-point
Sigurd
lead
Serrano
for
Moy
Miagao
din
Stars.
shout out. 6 minutes 14 seconds.
Hermoino drives. Babaran. Ay! Tapo Pindon. Wala ang magawa ni Babaran. Foul on Samones.
Malamang live ko alin pakalasot so kangagas ta subong gabi wala ko ay.
Is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Ang isa daw nakapoy man ko. Ama ko malasot sa gabla.
Barranco. For 3.
Dangat magabi ka ba.
Wala gyapon.
Nag-full time ako sa skatean all day.
Baseball ball ang itawag kay Engineer Patlaona.
Patlaona is your second personal foul, second team
Roy Ringat shout out. Six minutes 2 seconds. Still in the third quarter.
Wala sang King, up by 2. Jomel Pindon.
Kabansi ang King Pitotan, 2
Samones.
points.
Linga. Pass to Pindon. Intercepted by Go.
Go, gipasa kay Grijalbo.
Right para sa
Junel Tanyo, shout out. Grijalbo.
Walang
Rebound steal. Yagao Stars basketball.
Right Grijalbo. Hermohino. Wala.
Rebound.
Babaran got the
Babaran.
rebound. Jomel Pindon. Linga to Samones in the center court.
Samones.
Samones. Against Wak. Hand off to Linga. To Samones. Pick up by Hermohino.
Hermohino. Dribbling the ball. Ay. Tatlauna. 2 points. Foul. Big foul.
Basket is now the foul is jersey number
49 all.
Another foul counted for Engineer Junel Fatlaona.
Wow, it's
49
your
all.
second personal foul, second team foul.
Wala sana yung JC Petrina, tatlo lang iya, foul kanina. Susubong pa lang siya mabalik.
Hit Gahito, shout out. Like and share mga idol.
Fatlaona, bonus free throw. Wala.
Pindon.
Tied ball game at 49. 4 minutes and 35. Samones against Montalban.
Foul by jersey number 1. Montalban is your first personal foul, third team foul.
Pindon drives baseline. Reverse.
Goal.
King back to 2-point lead. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Kevin Barranco. Engineer Fatlaona, back to Barranco. Wala. Rebound over Lester Samones.
Foul sa Montalban.
Foul by jersey number 1.
Foul on
Montalban
Montalban.
is your second personal foul,
Free throws
fourth
on
team foul.
Pigrita. Three-point lead for King. Biggest lead of King tonight, 4 points against Gimba of Miagao. Barranco, Grijalbo, Hermohino to Montalban.
Barranco. Linga. Good count. Kill by Pindon. Foul. Tatlauna.
Players, please go back to your bench.
Foul and Patlaonan.
Foul against jersey number 7. Penalty situation.
Penalty na ang Miagao.
Third personal foul.
2 free throws for Jomel Pindon.
Pindon
3 minutes
na
and
free throw.
4.5 seconds remaining time.
7-point lead now for a King.
There's again basket counted for Jomel Pindon.
For 2 for Jomel, 8-point lead. Para sa
3
King, the
minutes.
biggest lead of King tonight.
59-57.
Wala sa Miagao.
Paso White Grijalvo. Paris for the Kevin Barranco.
Barangco 3 points.
3-point shot by Kevin Barranco is
Pedrita,
brought to
dribbling
you.
2 minutes and 35.
Jenny, in for an Export Sharing Corporation by Sir J.P. Hernandez.
Sabones to Linga.
Linga.
Head to shoot.
Wala.
And now Barranco for the rebound.
Wala sa Miagao. For 2 minutes and 21.
Wow. Grijalvo. Out of bounds. Nagbola sa mga King Portola.
2 minutes and 14. Bola sa King Katatan. Up by 5 points. Jomel Pindon. Samones against 1. Samones against 1.
Sabones.
Right. Kick out to Babaran. Wala. Rebound sa Wak Makiling.
Joshua McKinney. There's a whistle foul. Foul against jersey number
Foul on
6.
Jomel Pindon. 2 free throws.
Jomel Pindon that is scored. Second personal foul.
1 minute and 48.
Third team foul. 1 minute and 48.4. There's a basket counted for Jonathan McDonald. Down to 4, nakapansin.
1 minute and
King
48.
Portola. One out of 2. Babaran for the rebound.
1 out of 2. Si Engineer Patlaon. 1 minute and
Pasto
40.
Pedrita.
Erlans. Pass to Jomel. Jomel Pindon. Jomel drive. Nice pass to Babaran.
Barangco points.
1 minute and 22 seconds.
Wala sa Miagao. Down by 6 points.
White Grijalvo, taking the ball.
Patlaon.
Pedrita.
There's a whistle foul. Foul against jersey number 9, pushing foul against Eric John. Eric Mahino, that is your second personal foul.
Baseball foul ang itawag ni
Penalty
Erson
situation,
Rodel.
2 shots.
Babaran.
4 free throws for Rodel Babaran.
1 point counter.
Balik sa pito ang pansin, 1 minute and 6.1 second.
Completed 2
2 out of
points.
2.
Babaran.
Point lead.
White Grijalvo, Pasto
Para sa
John.
King. Patlaon nag-drive.
Rebound Simones. Pedrita.
Wala sa King Pedrita. 49 seconds. Pindon. Drive.
2 points. Pindon.
Puno
3-point shot. Reply by Erzan Hermanino. 19 seconds time remaining.
Bilis, bilis, bilis.
And to shoot!
Bilis.
Samones, 3 points.
Samones,
Ebreta.
that's the end of the third quarter. Official score 56-66. 10-point lead para sa mga taga-Panoa sa Pototan.
And conclude for King Pototan. At the end of the
Banse Polo. Total.
Yaya Stars leads as much as 21 points in the second quarter. Rally is back after 30 quarters, after 30 minutes of
Para sa
overtime.
impormasyon sa tanan,
They are
ang
leading by
Team
10
Pototan
points.
may isa na kapiyerde, while ang mga taga-Panoa sa Miagao may isa naman katako. This is the last and final quarter.
Santa Barbara. Sadya na, kung magdaog ang Pototan, point system sadya na sa last game. Point system ni mo ano? Paros knockout.
Kevin Naranjo for the lead.
Fourth quarter.
Shot by Kevin Barranco is brought to you by H-Team. And Jenny, Emperor Nice Special Incorporation by Sir J.P. Hernandez.
Samones to Pedrita.
Wala sang
And the shoot.
King, Arlans Pedrita. Jumper.
Jumper loaded. Alexander Molino.
Ivan Hermoino.
To White Canejo.
Kevin Barranco.
3 points. Branco.
Back-to-back 3 points for Kevin Barranco. Got the lead of the King to 4 points.
Para sa mga taga-Panoa, Miagao. Reminders, may duwang na timeout. Eliminate ang Team Pototan. Tatlo pa ang timeout para sa mga taga-Miagao Stars.
This is a must-win game for the King.
6-0 na ang
them to be in the
isa.
contention
Sa fourth quarter action, official
Top
score
one, top two.
66-62, down to 4 ang offensive. Joel Pindon. Single possession.
Lalagay up on sa King with 16 seconds to shoot. Up by 4 points. Jomel Pindon will inbound.
One in jersey number 19 for reception to 4. Pedrita. And the shoot. Bakaran.
5 seconds.
Foul against jersey number 7. Pedrita, that is your fourth personal foul.
8 minutes and 49.
Dong, dong. Ang sabi niya, ball na dong, dong. Palihog pa na ako dyan. Ikaw, wifi na mo, ikaw kautod. Ang dong ang mga wifi dong.
Ano to diyaw?
Jersey number 99.
Yung kwan niya lang.
Sabonis, that is your second personal foul. 3 shots. First attempt,
8
no
minutes
mercy.
and 91. Barago on the line to shoot 3. He missed the first. Makes the second. Down to 2-point lead for O'King.
1 point lead. Pututan.
8 minutes and 17. Pindon against Montalban. Pindon. Pedrita. 7 seconds to shoot. Sabonis missed the shot. 3-point shot. Barranco. Para sa Barranco. 10 seconds to shoot. Barranco.
Substitution, Pindon out, Dupa in for O'King Putotan.
Balik ang bala sa O'King Putotan. 7 minutes and 39.
7 minutes, 36 seconds. Last quarter.
4 seconds.
Ayan. Back to Pedrita. Pedrita. Ilisha.
3 points, Linga.
The 3-point shot by Gabe Linga is brought to you by AC. Social Corporation by JC Amrado. Rialdo missed the layup. Balik ang bola sa O'King Putotan. 6 minutes and 53. Linga. Harassed by Grialbo. Babaran. Back to Linga. 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 For 3.
Pututan.
Back to back.
6 minutes, 30 seconds.
Paglaona.
Foul committed by jersey number 99, Sabonis. That is your third personal foul, third team foul.
6 minutes and 18 seconds.
Kids took the shot out.
Engineer Paglaona.
Bawi station.
For O'King, the 3-point shot by Engineer. Brought to you by Einstein and Jendi. Linga drives, Nabulan. Wala sang Lagaw. Barranco.
Five minutes,
5 minutes and 35.
36.2.
We're on our halfway of our fourth quarter. 4-point lead para sa O'King Putotan. A must-win game for O'King Putotan.
5 minutes,
For them to keep
32
their hope
seconds.
alive
Last
to
quarter.
fight for the championship.
Napansin ang Pututan.
Samones against Bataona.
Wala.
Pedrita. 3-pointer. Wala. Ang rebound ng Rialdo. 5 minutes and 13.
Grijaldo, Barranco, Pasto Villarino,
Paglaona to Grijaldo.
Grijaldo, Perlaps,
Wala ang rebound. Wala ang floater ni White. Balik ang bola sa King. 4 minutes and 42. Pedrita. Pedrita tumabaran. Balik na Linda.
There's a foul committed by jersey number 19. That is your third personal foul. First team foul.
4 minutes, 32 seconds, last quarter.
4 minutes, 32.7.
Tumabaran. Hand off to Samones.
And to shoot.
My screen. Samones for 3.
Wala.
Pick up by Lupa. Linda. Wala. Rebound. 4 minutes and 14. Linga. Lupa. Wala. Rebound by Hermohino.
Patlaonan. Dyan sa ngampang sa Miyagaw at pututan.
4.8 para sa Oking Potatan.
3 minutes, 57 seconds.
Magdaog sa
Last quarter.
Kontra sa Miyagaw. Tomorrow are all knockout games. Kung sino ang magdaog. Sa buong gabi, bantayan. If Miyagaw wins, they will secure their spot to the finals.
Ano ito? Lugayo.
Malas ang Miyagaw, 3 minutes and 57.
Shout out.
Hermohino receives. Barangco. Barangco para sa Miyagaw. 8 seconds to shoot for 3. Wala. Ikapay Tindon.
Di Bangilot. Sogoy. Shout out.
3 minutes and 27. Tindon drag. Foul on Swak Makiling.
Foul Makiling.
Foul jersey number 4.
3 minutes, 34 seconds.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
3 minutes and 34. Bola sa King. Erlas Luis Pedrita. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Pedrita. 3 points to Pedrita. Hermohino, 2 points. Tindon.
5-point lead para sa King
Tindon.
Potatan.
Jersey number 6.
Last 3 minutes of the ball game. King Potatan versus Miyagaw. King. Tindon. 3 seconds to shoot.
Pedrita.
Pick up by Tindon.
Patlaona. Ano mabalik ko rin. Tindon na shoot sa pututan. Nice move.
7-point lead for King.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
There's a foul.
Ang hinawag ng Chase Makilinga. 2 minutes and 7. 7-point lead for King.
Sunod si King Pura. 2 minutes and 7.4.
55. Nice right there,
Pendon, top point.
Stars.
11-point lead para sa King Patatay.
Isa na lang ang Samaritano Stars may kuwapan.
42 seconds time.
Sadya sampang.
Ang meltdown. Oh,
Time out
Samaritano
ang
Stars.
time out ang ano.
11-point lead para sa King Patatay.
We still have 1 minute 42 seconds. Back to the game. Last quarter.
Mag-out of the Kings. It will be all a knockout semi-final game between Diagawin Tigbawan in Santa Barbara and Peking. Back to the ball in 1 minute and 42. Mr. Miagao.
1 minute 32 seconds. Ten to shoot.
1 minute 18 seconds. Pendon. It's a foul.
That's jersey number 1, Montalban.
Out sa Buhaya.
1 minute and 15.
Iran, no shot
Montalban
out.
is your third personal foul. Third team fouls. 2 shots for Joel Pendon. Sunod, kalapunang natira. One out of two, 82-17.
Lead para sa King, 1 minute and 11. Hermoino to Grijaldo for 3.
Bang! 3 points for Juan Grijaldo. 1 minute, 1.9 second foul.
1 minute 1
1
second.
minute and 1.
Against jersey number 4. That is your third personal foul. Joshua McGee.
51 seconds.
And the shoot.
Pangamot na kadalagan sa
Medrita Polenga. Nag-break.
Linga.
46 seconds. 27 seconds. Night not good. Tomorrow, all knockout games. Tomorrow will be knockout games.
Congratulations, Pututan! Winner!
Congratulations sa King Patatan! King Patatan! Championship home is alive! And we are